In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Trello. If you're someone who uses both Slack and Trello regularly, integrating them can be a real game changer. It can streamline your workflow, helping you stay organized and ensuring that all your team communications and project updates are in one convenient place. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Slack. Once you're in your Slack workspace, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu, and what you want to do is click on the three dots located there. These three dots often indicate more options, and that's exactly what we're looking for. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Tools. This is the section where Slack stores various features and integrations that can be really useful for enhancing your workspace. Once you've clicked on Tools, you'll see another option called Apps. Click on this. The Apps section is essentially Slack's marketplace for integrations and add-ons, and this is where we'll be able to find Trello. Now, in the Apps page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click into this search bar and type in Trello. Slack will then search its directory for the Trello app. Once the search results come up, you should see Trello listed there. Click on the Trello app from the list. This will open up the Trello app page within Slack, where you can find more details about the app and how it works. With the Trello app page open, you'll see a button that says Add to Slack. Go ahead and click this button. By doing so, you're instructing Slack to integrate Trello into your workspace, allowing you to use Trello without leaving Slack. And there you have it. Trello is now integrated into your Slack workspace. This means you can create new Trello cards directly from Slack, get updates about your Trello boards, and more, all without having to switch between apps. Integrating Slack with Trello is just one way to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. It helps keep all your communication and project management in one place, making it easier to stay on top of your work. So go ahead, explore the capabilities and start making the most of your integrated tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.